Welcome to the channel. We're thrilled to have you join us on this creative journey where woodworking meets inspiration and practicality. Here, we dive into the world of woodworking, exploring everything from basic techniques and essential tools to advanced projects that challenge your skills and ignite your passion. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a complete beginner, our channel is designed to provide valuable insights, tutorials, and tips that cater to all skill levels. We believe that woodworking is not just about creating beautiful items, but also about fostering a deeper connection with the materials we use and the environment around us. Each project we undertake tells a story, and we're excited to share those stories with you. As we embark on this adventure together, expect to see a variety of content that not only showcases stunning wooden creations, but also emphasizes the joy and fulfillment that comes from crafting with your own hands. From DIY home decor to functional furniture pieces, our goal is to inspire you to unleash your creativity and explore the endless possibilities that woodworking offers. We'll also highlight sustainable practices, such as using reclaimed wood and scrap materials, to demonstrate how you can create beautiful items while being kind to our planet. So, grab your tools, roll up your sleeves, and let's get started on this exciting woodworking journey together. If you enjoyed today's content and want to keep up with all our woodworking adventures, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos packed with tips, tutorials, and inspiring projects. We also encourage you to share this video with your friends and fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Spreading the joy of crafting is what it's all about. And if you liked what you saw, give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us grow and continue creating valuable content for you. Be sure to stick around until the end of the video, as we often include additional insights, bonus tips, and sneak peeks at upcoming projects that you won't want to miss. Thank you for being part of our community, and we can't wait to see you in the next video. Woodworking is more than just a hobby. It can be a lucrative venture that combines creativity with craftsmanship. Many enthusiasts have discovered that they can transform their passion for woodworking into a source of income, turning their weekend projects into profitable enterprises. The beauty of woodworking lies in its versatility, allowing individuals to create a wide range of products from various types of wood, including reclaimed and scrap materials. This not only provides a creative outlet, but also taps into a growing market of consumers eager for unique, handcrafted items. The allure of wood. Wood is a timeless material that resonates with warmth and character, offering a rich tactile experience that many other materials simply cannot match. Each type of wood has its unique grain, color, and texture, making it ideal for a plethora of projects. Hardwoods like oak and walnut are prized for their durability and beauty, while softer woods like pine are more accessible for beginners. The rich variety of woods available is one of the key attractions for both creators and buyers alike, as it allows for a diverse range of handmade items. This diversity not only enhances the creative process, allowing artisans to explore different styles and techniques, but it also caters to a wide array of consumer preferences, thereby increasing market potential. Reclaimed wood, a sustainable choice. Reclaimed wood has gained popularity in recent years, not only for its aesthetic appeal, but also for its environmental friendliness. By repurposing old wood from buildings, pallets, or furniture, crafters can create beautiful items while reducing waste. This practice not only contributes to sustainability, but also often results in unique pieces that carry a story, which can be very appealing to customers. For many consumers, the charm of reclaimed wood lies in its history and the character it brings to a piece. Furthermore, the sustainable choice of using reclaimed material resonates strongly with environmentally conscious buyers, who are increasingly seeking products that align with their values, thus opening new avenues for artisans to market their creations effectively. Scrap wood projects. Using scrap wood is another excellent way to minimize waste and maximize profit, allowing woodworkers to turn what might otherwise be discarded into valuable products. Many woodworking projects can be completed using leftover pieces from larger projects, which not only reduces material costs but also encourages creativity. Items like small shelves, birdhouses, or decorative signs can be crafted from these scraps, often with minimal additional investment. This approach promotes an inventive spirit, urging artisans to think outside the box and find innovative solutions for using materials that would typically be thrown away. As a result, scrapwood projects can not only be financially rewarding, but also serve as a testament to the creativity and resourcefulness of the craftsman. Advantages of woodworking. One significant advantage of woodworking is the low initial investment required for many projects, making it accessible to a wide audience. Basic tools like saws, drills, and sanders can be acquired at reasonable prices, and many woodworkers start with hand tools before moving on to more advanced equipment. Additionally, many woodworking projects can be completed in a weekend, making it feasible for anyone with a busy schedule to pursue this craft. This accessibility encourages more people to explore woodworking as a potential income source, turning a creative hobby into a profitable venture. As individuals gain confidence and experience, they can gradually take on more complex projects that allow for higher profit margins and greater creative expression. The market for handmade wood products. The market for handmade wooden products is thriving, with consumers increasingly seeking unique, artisanal items that stand out from mass-produced alternatives. Whether through online platforms such as Etsy or local craft fairs, there are numerous avenues for selling wooden goods. Buyers often appreciate the craftsmanship and individuality that come with handmade items, making them willing to pay a premium for quality products. This growing market trend highlights the importance of storytelling and marketing. Consumers are not just buying a product, but also investing in the narrative behind it. Artisans who can effectively communicate their passion and the story behind their creations are more likely to resonate with potential buyers, establishing lasting connections that can lead to loyal customers. Profit potential. The profit potential in woodworking can be significant, especially for those who take the time to refine their craft and understand the market. Depending on the time, materials, and effort invested, crafters can mark up their products substantially. Items that are well designed and made with quality materials can fetch high prices, especially when marketed effectively. Moreover, as crafters build their reputations and customer bases, repeat business can lead to sustained income. By carefully analyzing market trends and consumer preferences, artisans can identify niches that are underserved, allowing them to create products that meet specific demands. This strategic approach not only enhances profitability, but also fosters a sense of purpose and direction in their creative endeavors. Environmental impact. In addition to generating income, woodworking can have positive environmental implications, particularly when sustainable practices are employed. By choosing reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood, artisans contribute to a healthier planet and promote eco-friendly practices within their communities. This eco-conscious approach resonates with a growing demographic of consumers who prioritize sustainability in their purchasing decisions. Moreover, the act of creating functional art from natural materials fosters a deeper appreciation for the environment, encouraging both crafters and consumers to value sustainable living. As awareness of environmental issues continues to grow, the demand for sustainably made products is likely to increase, presenting a significant opportunity for woodworkers to align their businesses with broader ecological goals. Crafting community. Woodworking fosters a sense of community among enthusiasts, creating spaces where individuals can share their passion, knowledge, and experiences. Many woodworkers connect through online forums, social media platforms, and local workshops, where they exchange tips and techniques that enhance their skills. This supportive environment can be invaluable for beginners looking to improve their craft and learn about market trends. Networking with other woodworkers can also lead to collaborative projects and expanded business opportunities, as artisans can learn from each other's successes and challenges. The sense of camaraderie that develops within the woodworking community not only enriches the crafting experience, but also creates a network of support that can be vital for those pursuing woodworking as a business. Skill development. As individuals engage in woodworking, they naturally develop a variety of skills that extend beyond just crafting items. From mastering different tools to learning about wood properties and finishing techniques, the craft requires ongoing education and practice. These skills not only enhance the quality of the products, but also increase the value of the artisan's work in the marketplace. Additionally, the problem-solving nature of woodworking encourages critical thinking and adaptability, as crafters often face unexpected challenges during their projects. This continuous learning process can lead to a greater sense of accomplishment and fulfillment, motivating artisans to push their boundaries and explore new avenues of creativity. Customization opportunities. One of the unique aspects of woodworking is the ability to offer customized products, allowing artisans to cater to individual customer preferences. Personalized items, such as engraved cutting boards or custom furniture, can command higher prices and attract more customers. The personal touch that comes with customization often creates a deeper connection between the maker and the buyer, fostering loyalty and encouraging referrals. This element of personalization not only enhances the perceived value of the product, but also allows artisans to differentiate themselves in a competitive market. By embracing customization, woodworkers can create a niche that appeals to consumers seeking unique gifts or meaningful items, ultimately expanding their customer base. Marketing strategies. Effective marketing is crucial for success in woodworking, as it plays a significant role in reaching potential customers and building a brand. Utilizing social media platforms to showcase completed projects, engaging with followers, and sharing behind-the-scenes content can help artisans build a loyal audience. Additionally, participating in local craft fairs or farmers markets provides valuable exposure and direct access to potential buyers. Crafting a compelling online presence, complete with an engaging story and high-quality images, can significantly enhance sales opportunities. By employing strategic marketing techniques, woodworkers can not only promote their products but also cultivate a community of supporters who appreciate their craftsmanship and are eager to share their work with others. Balancing passion and profit. While the potential for profit is enticing, it's essential for woodworkers to maintain their passion for the craft. Balancing the business side with creative expression can sometimes be challenging, especially when market demands dictate certain trends or styles. However, many successful woodworkers find that staying true to their artistic vision while also considering market needs leads to the most fulfilling outcomes. This balance allows artisans to create products that not only sell well, but also bring them joy and satisfaction. Ultimately, the journey of woodworking should be about more than just financial gain. It should also reflect personal growth, creativity, and a deep appreciation for the craft, ensuring that passion remains at the forefront of their endeavors. Embracing creativity in woodworking. Creativity is the heart of woodworking, allowing artisans to express their unique perspectives through their projects. Each piece crafted is an opportunity to explore new ideas, experiment with designs, and push the boundaries of traditional woodworking. By embracing creativity, woodworkers can develop a signature style that sets them apart in a competitive market. This personal touch not only enhances the appeal of their products, but also fosters a deeper connection with their audience, as customers often appreciate the story and inspiration behind each creation. Engaging in creative exploration can lead to unexpected innovations and exciting new directions, making the woodworking journey not just a profession but a fulfilling artistic pursuit. Navigating market trends. Understanding market trends is crucial for woodworkers looking to turn their passion into profit. Staying informed about what consumers are seeking, whether it's eco-friendly materials, minimalist designs, or multifunctional furniture, can help artisans align their projects with current demands. However, it's important for woodworkers to navigate these trends without compromising their artistic vision. Striking a balance between personal creativity and market preferences can lead to products that resonate with customers while still reflecting the maker's unique style. By researching and adapting to trends thoughtfully, woodworkers can enhance their marketability and ensure their creations remain relevant and sought after. Building a brand in woodworking. Establishing a strong brand identity is essential for woodworkers aiming to succeed in the marketplace. A well-defined brand not only communicates the artisan's values and aesthetic, but also fosters trust and loyalty among customers. This involves creating a cohesive visual presence across platforms, from logo design to product packaging, and consistently delivering quality craftsmanship. Engaging storytelling about the inspiration behind the creations can further enhance brand appeal, connecting emotionally with potential buyers. As woodworkers build their brands, this should focus on developing a community around their work through social media and customer interactions, creating a loyal following that supports their craft and encourages growth. In conclusion, woodworking offers a unique opportunity for individuals to turn their passion into profit. With various types of wood available, including reclaimed and scrap options, artisans can create a wide range of products that cater to an expanding market. By embracing sustainability, honing their skills, and effectively marketing their creations, woodworkers can not only generate income but also contribute positively to their communities and the environment. Whether it's a weekend project or a full-time endeavor, woodworking provides a fulfilling path to creativity and entrepreneurial success, allowing individuals to craft not only beautiful pieces, but also a meaningful livelihood that reflects their passions and values. Thank you for watching the video. We appreciate your time and hope you found the content helpful and inspiring. Your support means a lot to us, and we're excited to have you as part of our woodworking community. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.